In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello timeline view, a full 2025 guide packed with all the tips and tricks you need for a seamless experience. Let's dive right in and take your Trello boards to the next level with this powerful view that helps with project management and visualization. First off, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This step is crucial for accessing your personalized Trello workspace where you can make full use of the timeline view. You can easily log in using your email address or, for added convenience, sign in through your Google account. Whichever method you prefer, we're making sure you have quick access without missing a beat. After logging in, it's time to make your way to the Boards section on Trello, your central hub for all your projects and tasks. Scroll through to find your Workspaces section, a place where your collaborative magic happens. This section is designed to keep everything you and your team are working on organized and within reach. Now that you're in your workspace, select the board you want to enhance with the timeline view. This is where you'll add that extra layer of organization. Think of it as choosing the canvas for your masterpiece where you can better visualize the flow and timelines of your tasks. Once you've clicked on the desired board, you're ready for the next pivotal step. At the top of your selected board, locate and click on the drop-down menu. This is your gateway to customizing the board views, including toggling the timeline view. As you sift through the drop-down options, check the box labeled Timeline. This action is what enables the powerful timeline feature, setting the stage for effective visual project tracking. With the timeline now enabled, feel free to close the drop-down menu. It's time to feast your eyes on what you've been working towards. All you need to do is click on the timeline at the top of your board, and just like that, your tasks and deadlines are laid out in a streamlined chronological fashion. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on setting up the Trello timeline view. Using this tool, managing projects can become more intuitive, allowing you to plan, adjust, and execute tasks with greater efficiency. Whether you're coordinating a team or managing your personal projects, the timeline view equips you with the clarity and perspective you need to drive success. Thank you for watching, and be sure to make the most of this feature in keeping your projects on track. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more insights and walkthroughs. Have a great day and happy organizing on Trello.